Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I thought I'd just address the recent price increase in Cardano. As maybe a lot of you may have noticed, Bitcoin's been absolutely killing it recently, and over the last few days that liquidity has flowed to small coins as well, and one of those being Cardano. As you can see on the chart right in front of you, ADA's up 43% in the last month, and in my opinion that's just the beginning. Like, we've got so much upside to go. Last cycle, in September 2020, ADA was trading around 10 cents, had a rally up to 30 cents, and then consolidated around 30 cents for a few months. So went from 30 cents to $1 by early February. So within 5 months, at 10x. And I think at the moment, ADA's probably going to hit between $1 to $1.50 in the short term, probably before the halving. And it could be a little bit of a pullback, like there usually is going into the halving, of around 20%. And I believe upside continuation towards the end of 2024. You could see ADA go back to its all-time high or even surpass it, especially with all the liquidity coming to the market and the Ethereum spot ETF around the corner. That's going to bring billions and billions into the market, and new people and new types of ways you can invest into the crypto market directly and indirectly. So obviously from the bottom of the market earlier on this year, ADA was 23 cents. I've been accumulating over the last 3 years, and I did actually buy the bottom of the market. I think it was in June when it did touch like 23 cents area for like a quick split second. So right now, from my perspective, I'm already up 3x, but people come into crypto to make the real big gains. And as you notice, we have 4-year cycles. We're just about approaching a cycle now, and for the first time in history, a Bitcoin could actually surpass its all-time high before the halving, which, if that occurs, that would be unprecedented territory, and could signify that this cycle could be a lot shorter than the last few. Given the data on the charts, if we go to the all-time data, well, this is just for ADA, but if we go to Bitcoin chart for all time, you can see that there's a massive leg up, consolidation, massive leg up, consolidation, but you can see that the upside versus the downside percentages is a lot smaller. It's like that's due to like diminishing returns. So Bitcoin from its all-time high did drop quite significantly, but not as significant as the previous cycle. But then equally, the cycles weren't as long last time. So you notice that altcoin had a blow off top January 2021. Ignore that, January 2018. But when it came to 2021, it was around November time, so it was a bit earlier. So I could anticipate this time, especially with a recession around the corner and so much uncertainty, US presidential election, and all this other stuff, that it could end early on next year, like maybe the end of this year. So definitely best to proceed with caution and have your targets in mind, and do sell at some point, because I made a mistake last cycle of being a lot in profit, thinking, you know what, it's going to go a heck of a lot higher, and then before I could do anything about it was too late. So for the last few years, I've put my head down, spent hours and hours and hours researching markets, researching trends, patterns, inflow of money, and been quietly confident in putting a portion of the money into the market each month. And now I'm starting to reap the rewards already, and still a lot more upside to go. So I'd suggest to any of you guys out there, if you don't know much about it, that's absolutely fine. I didn't know anything about it 3 years ago, but there's lots of creators out there, lots of new sources, and the more and more time you spend in the market and you see the volatility, you become more at ease with it, and that's what this cycle is about. So yeah, just thought I'd do a quick video addressing the price of ADA today, and that it does look very good in the charts. I could see it returning to this range here, like just over $1. But it could even do better than that, who knows. Like if Bitcoin keeps putting in new highs, and there's good news in the financial markets, and the S&P 500 proceeds to go higher because it's currently hitting an all-time high at the moment. Like, it's just we're entering bull market doors here. A YouTuber, Crypto Capital Ventures, highlighted that as well. He said that we're basically on the cusp of entering the bull market doors, and if we do, we could see a massive move of around 30 to 40% to like $1.10 to $1.30. And if that happens in the short term, that's like a very bullish indicator, and we've still got a lot more upside to go after that. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and if you've got any suggestions of videos to make in the future, anything you'd like to see improved, please let me know. I'm all ears. I want to grow this channel as much as possible. obviously I'm quite new to it, so there's lots of teething issues, like with confidence in front of the camera and style of video. But honestly, I'm open for any suggestion. Thank you, and goodbye.